What are you scared of, my friend? Choppy market? Keep losing money? Changing conditions? Whatever it is, no fear, the Team Bull Survival Guide is here and I got your back. What's going on, team? It's your boy Jdun, Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. We are live and back in action with a super valuable and super exciting video today. So in our journey together, we're going to be going over our daily day trading recap. But in addition to that, we're going to be going over a survival guide and some super important tips to know on how to survive a choppy market, how to survive some choppy days like we saw today, and how to make the most of your trading. And as you guys know, my goal for you on this channel is what? To help you trade confidently, to help you trade with conviction, and to give you the best stock market and day trading education on this whole entire earth. So if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to learn next below, and let's get to the money together. And huge announcement before we get started. As you will see here, tomorrow on March 29th, we have Anna Cooling coming into our Team Bull trading community. She's going to be doing an exclusive webinar with our Team Bull team on volume, price, and all things price action. It's going to be insane. So if you haven't already and you want to join us, the link is below. Otherwise, I have tons of solid free education on this channel, always have, always will, a free course and daily uploads of different things and things to help you learn and trade confidently. So with that, let's actually start on this too. The first thing I want to talk about with adapting to a changing market, with a choppy market, is you're going to have to change some of your trading styles. What do you notice that's different about my watch list today than most days? I added QQQ today. Now, I want to go over our day trading recap with this first emphasis on changing and adapting to markets with this thought, what I've actually done. Now, I like trading SPY. You guys know that. I like trading SPY. You can adapt this to SPX, to ES for futures, whatever. But sometimes, like we're going to see today, SPY had very slow movement. Now, in our live trading, we did catch some bangers. We caught some puts up here for a move down. That was nice. The team caught some intraday moves here. But overall, we've been moving much slower these past few days with some chop intraday. So what do we have to do when we see that? We have to adapt. So for myself, I've been looking and I noticed that in the last few trading sessions, tech had been primarily strong or having a lot more movement. So we see here, we had a QQQ a few days prior here, big movements up and down, big movements, uptrends up, whatever it may be. We were having some price action in there that I maybe didn't want to miss if SPY was, being stagnant. So I went in, found my levels this morning, and on that QQQ, my initial bounce worked out really well. I was looking for a 305 to 306 area bounce. As you see here, bounce 306 here, about $1 move up. Came down here again. So this 305 area right here bounced beautifully for like a $1, $2 move up from those 305 lows. That ended up being basically our low of the day, and I told that to the team before it happened. Now, let's go over how I found that level. Very important part. So if we go here to our hourly chart, what do we see here on this 306 down to this like 305-ish area, right? And 305, not a ton. We had the low of this candlestick here, but with this 306 being struck such strong support, I wanted to give us a little range here, for our overall demand zone to have a little drawdown, still have room to come down, touch this area and bounce back up. That's exactly what it did. That's why I love trading supply and demand. I love trading level to level. That's what I do. That's what I teach. And hopefully tomorrow's webinar with Anna Cooling in the Discord helps many people, understand price action better, how to apply volume and how to apply reading each candlestick by candlestick. So with that, what I want to really talk about today too is, this changing to adapting markets. You have to change. If you go back and watch me in 2020, 2021, 2022, those were all different markets, and I've done many different trading styles. I've been a breakout trader. I've been a watch this level and take the breakout below it or above it. I've done that. I've been supply and demand. I've been overall ranges, top to bottom. I've done all these different things. I've done momentum. But you have to change what works for you in the now, what the market is doing. Also, something I was doing today, I didn't have it in my watch list, but I was looking through individual names. I was looking at things like Meta. I was going to Meta, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Are we seeing any action? Do we have any big levels I need to know about? I was going to NVIDIA. Do we have anything there? Tesla. Do we have anything there? So basically what I was doing is I was looking for stocks in play, looking for big moves outside of the ETFs, because there could be a day, guys, when SPY doesn't trade as well as it has been. There might be a day when QQQ doesn't as well. But if you follow the education here, if you're learning about trading, if you're watching candlesticks, I promise you guys there will always be a move somewhere. And that is the key, is finding that move, being on the right side of that move. You got to find when that stock or ETF is going to go up or it's going to go down. And that's where having a sound foundation comes in. Learning price structure, learning candlesticks, learning all this stuff. Because if you do that, my friend, if you do that, you can be very, very successful in this. It just takes a lot of time, a lot of screen time, and a whole lot of effort on your part to find those moves. So I don't want you guys thinking, maybe you learned how to trade with 8-day and 9-day EMAs or VWAP or whatever it is. Your strategy now might not work later, okay? You have to keep adapting. That is who is going to survive here. I want you guys making money for the next year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, right? I want to be making money the next, 1, 2, 5, 10, 20 years. We all want to keep making money, but it's going to require us to stay adaptable. We got to stay adaptable. We got to stay on top of our game. We really got to keep learning every single day. So hopefully that channel helps you with that. That's my main goal for you guys, main objective. And I love seeing you guys learn. I think that's why we're almost 75,000 strong here. Let's go, baby. I love all you guys. Thank you so much for all your time, effort here. I want to see you win more than you know. Also, other updates. We have an amazing podcast coming out with another trader outside of Team Bull on Saturday. Make sure you stick around for that right here on YouTube, and a lot of other very exciting stuff. So, as always, keep trading smart, trading safe. Hit that subscribe button below, and let's keep getting to the money and getting rich together. Love y'all. Peace.